About a SWAT situation that left a man dead. It turns out the suspect Polk County deputies had been chasing Monday night was only carrying a staple gun when they shot him. It all happened in Auburndale, and 10 News Polk County reporter Marcus Grayson has learned the man led the deputies on a chase and tried to break into homes before that fatal shot.
It all started in this driveway. Sheriff Grady Judd says that Dominic Fuller ran to those woods when he saw his officers approach. That running would lead to a chain of events that would eventually lead to Dominic's death.
And actually watched him fleeing through the neighborhood and running up to homes and vehicles and trying the doors.
Sheriff Grady Judd says Dominic Fuller was desperate to get away from law enforcement.
Then he would run out in the woods and he would reappear.
Neighbors saw him and they told them,
he hollers out that, "I've got a gun."
Nicole Deese heard the commotion in her backyard.
It was actually telling me they was scared and stuff, and I told them everything was going to be fine.
Fuller tried to get in, but her locked doors and her pit bull Dozier scared him off. That trailer there behind me, neighbors say Dominic finally got in to get some help.
She said she woke up to the man straddled on top of her saying, "Help me."
Teresa Wallace saw the last moments for the man who called himself Capone.
Jumped Miss Dupree's fence and run back to this house.
Neighbors say Fuller jumped this fence, and at that point, the deputies saw him. He pulled out a staple gun and aimed it at him. They fired 5 times. In Auburndale, Marcus Grayson, 10 News.